Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password for your Guarda application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Guarda application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. After you're inside the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, under settings, tap on Security Center. Select Change Password at the very top of the screen and then enter your old password or your current password that you are using for your Guarda wallet account in the first text box. After you are done, enter the new password you would like to change to. Re-enter the new password one more time in the last text field. And finally tap on Change Password at the bottom in order to change your password for Guarda wallet. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.